Imagine a future where humanity takes its first steps on the Red Planet. Join us as we explore the possibilities and challenges of colonizing Mars and discover how it could change the course of human history. The challenges of colonizing Mars. As humanity looks to the stars, one destination stands out as the ultimate challenge: Mars. But before we can establish a colony on the Red Planet, there are numerous obstacles that must be overcome. First and foremost, the harsh Martian environment. Temperatures can drop to -130 degrees Fahrenheit, and the planet is bombarded by deadly radiation. Any colony would have to be completely self-sufficient and protected from these extreme conditions. Another major challenge is the lack of resources. Mars has a thin atmosphere and no liquid water, which means all supplies would have to be brought from Earth. This would be a costly and logistically difficult endeavor. And lastly, there's the distance. Mars is an average of 140 million miles away from Earth. A trip to Mars would take months, and the time delay for communication would be significant. This would make coordinating efforts and making decisions much more difficult. Despite these challenges, the potential rewards of colonizing Mars are immense. It could be a stepping stone for further exploration of the solar system, and it could even serve as a backup plan for humanity. But before we can make that leap, we must first overcome these obstacles. The scientific advancements making Mars colonization possible. As we look to the stars, the dream of colonizing Mars seems more and more within reach. And one person who is making it happen is Elon Musk. From reusable rockets to interplanetary transportation systems, Musk's companies are at the forefront of space technology. The development of reusable rockets and spacecraft by SpaceX has reduced the cost of reaching Mars significantly. And with the advancements in propulsion systems, such as the Raptor engine, traveling to Mars is faster than ever before. Additionally, the recent successful Starship test flights have demonstrated the potential of a fully reusable transportation system that can take humans and cargo to Mars. With Musk's continued investment in space exploration, the future of humanity on the Red Planet is looking brighter than ever. The scientific advancements made by him and his companies are making the dream of colonizing Mars more feasible than ever before. The economic and political factors driving Mars colonization. Now that you are aware of the difficulties and technological advancements that are enabling the colonization of Mars, what factors are motivating this pursuit to settle on the planet? First and foremost, there is the potential for resource extraction. Mars is rich in minerals and other resources that are vital to our survival, such as water, which can be used as rocket fuel. Additionally, Mars' proximity to Earth makes it an attractive target for mining operations. The economic benefits of such operations could be enormous, as the demand for these resources will only continue to grow as our population and technological capabilities expand. Furthermore, space exploration is a powerful motivator for many countries and private companies. The race to colonize Mars is seen as a way to assert dominance in the field of space exploration and to gain access to the vast resources that Mars has to offer. A successful mission to colonize Mars would be a major achievement for any nation or company, and the prestige and recognition that would come with it could be invaluable. At the same time, there is also a sense of adventure and the desire to be pioneers. The idea of humans living on another planet is something that has captivated us for generations, and the thought of being the first to do so is an exciting prospect. So basically, it is this combination of economic and political factors that is driving the push to colonize Mars. And as technology continues to improve, it's becoming increasingly clear that the day when humans set foot on Martian soil is not far off. The ethical implications of colonizing Mars. As we move closer to the possibility of colonizing Mars, it's important to consider the ethical implications of such an endeavor. The idea of human settlers living on another planet raises a host of moral questions, and it's crucial that we address them head-on. First and foremost, there's the question of native life. If there are living organisms on Mars, what are the ethical implications of human beings settling on their planet? Will we be invading their home, destroying their ecosystem, and wiping out entire species? These are important questions that need to be addressed before we take the first steps towards colonization. Another important ethical consideration is the treatment of human settlers. How will they be selected, and what rights will they have? Will they be treated as citizens of their home countries, or will they be considered inhabitants of a new world? Will they be allowed to govern themselves, or will they be subject to the laws of their home countries? These are crucial questions that need to be answered before we embark on a mission to colonize Mars. Lastly, there is the question of the ethical implications of colonizing a new world. Will we be able to respect and preserve the unique culture and ecosystem of Mars? Will we be able to coexist with the planet without destroying it? Will we be able to pass on a better world to future generations? These are all vital questions that we must answer before we can move forward with colonization. In conclusion, as we move closer to the possibility of colonizing Mars, it's crucial that we consider the ethical implications of such an endeavor. From the impact on native life, to the treatment of human settlers, to the ethical implications of colonizing a new world, these are all important questions that must be addressed before we take the first steps towards colonization. The future of Mars colonization. What's next? As we've explored in this video, the colonization of Mars is no longer just a far-off dream, but a very real possibility on the horizon. But what does the future of Mars colonization look like? And when can we expect to see humans setting foot on the red planet? Currently, NASA has plans for a manned mission to Mars in the 2030s with the goal of establishing a sustainable presence on the planet. SpaceX, led by visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk, has even more ambitious plans with the goal of sending humans to Mars as early as 2024. Musk has stated that his ultimate goal is to make humanity a multi-planetary species, and he sees Mars as the first step in this journey. While these proposed timelines may seem ambitious, the technology to make them a reality is rapidly advancing. SpaceX has already made significant strides in reusable rocket technology, and Musk has proposed the use of a massive spacecraft, the Starship, to transport large numbers of people and cargo to Mars. Of course, the colonization of Mars will not be without its challenges. The harsh Martian environment, lack of resources, and potential for conflicts with other countries are just a few of the issues that must be addressed. But the potential benefits of a successful colonization effort are staggering. A permanent presence on Mars would provide a backup location for humanity in case of a catastrophic event on Earth, as well as opportunities for scientific research and the potential for valuable resources to be mined. In conclusion, the colonization of Mars is no longer a question of if, but when. With NASA and SpaceX leading the charge, we can expect to see humans setting foot on the red planet in the near future. The implications of a successful colonization effort are far-reaching and could change the course of human history. It's an exciting time to be alive and witness the next step in humanity's journey to the stars. That's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. If so, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications for more such videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.